In these two videos, we saw two speakers talking about freedom of choice. The first one was thinking that the most choices we have, the better it is. Let me explain. He cited Howard Moskowitz, who was a scientist, who discovered that people were more satisfied with more option of sauce, of pasta sauce. For example, he gave various people some samples and made them vote the samples of pasta sauce, and discovered that some were more liked than other. While the second speaker, he commercialized all of them, so everyone would have or a big part of them, so everyone would have a choice. The second one talked about how freedom of decision, first of all, paralyzes people. Second of all, leaves people less satisfied with the result of the choice. And third of all, there is an escalation of expectations. So if people have more choice, they think that it's going to be perfect. What they choose is going to be perfect. While, and the fourth and last thing that he says is that self-blame is a thing also, and if you don't choose the right thing, you blame yourself. And that is wrong, as he said that depression increased as well. So what do I think about these two speakers? I think that the second one was more right. In fact, that the first speaker was speaking also about something that the second speaker was talking about. Let me explain. In the end, the second speaker used as an example a fishbowl. I think that the speaker in the first video talked about something, a freedom of choice. But that was not really a freedom of choice. It was a choice between many options. For example, he said that there are, in fact, many different choices. For example, of pasta sauce, there is chunky sauce, spicy sauce, plain sauce. But all of this is also in a fish tank. So we have a limited choice, big but limited choice. Unlimited choice blocks people, while limited choice, bigger or smaller it is, can in fact help people and give them a preference. So I think that, summing up, the first speaker is talking about that something that is also talked about by the second speaker when he talks about the fishbowl. I think that the first speaker is representing the fishbowl right now, talking about choice, but not unlimited choice, while the second speaker talks about what could happen if the choice was unlimited.